I'm Kelly Van Aert, occupational therapist, problem solver, and founder of Empower Independence Company. Consider someone in your life who has slowed down or struggles, an aging parent or grandparent, a coworker with chemo, a friend going through a chronic illness. We see these hardships, whether they share we see these hardships, whether they share the intimate details of how it impacts their daily lives or not. As an occupational therapist, I've assessed hundreds of adults in their bathing environment. Through patient feedback and customer discovery, we've highlighted three main concerns. A slick environment. This includes slippery bath products and shower head. Inaccessibility. Items must be placed on a small ledge, on the ground, in a tiny hook. Fatigue. The energy required to access these items is too much. Simply Shower is the solution for conserving energy, reducing fall risks, increasing accessibility, and allowing energy to be spent on more valued activities. Simply Shower includes magnetic adjustable sleeves for a variety of commonly used shower items and an adjustable magnetic board. It is a safety-enhancing accessory that can be added to any shower. The current prototype integrates a grad bar option to meet the needs of our beachhead market. Our total market focuses on adults over the age of 65 and individuals who are currently struggling with physical disabilities. Our obtainable market focuses on adults who are currently struggling to complete self-cares independently. If we capture just a fourth of those individuals who are actively looking to retain their independence, our obtainable market will be 15 million. Our Minnesota-based team of experts is motivated to bring Simply Shower to market. Please help me enable millions of Americans to increase their safety, their independence, confidence, and joy through Simply Shower. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you, Kelly. Good pitch. Congratulations for not only doing this, but being the first.
Thank
so,
you.
Good for you.
The hole right here.
Yeah, and navigating the floor that will be removed. The question I have is, where are you as far as your development of the product, and do you have an MVP or anything that's in the hands of customers at this time?
Sure. So we're currently at our fourth prototype, and we actually have just been in conversations this week with an engineering group out of Seattle, Washington, who has brought a lot of medical devices, prosthetics to market, and they're going to partner with us to help us get that MVP. We're also really excited about a collaboration that we're having with a Nebraska rehab hospital, where they're going to help us do market testing. So we're not only going to get feedback from patients in this rehab area where they're actively looking to get people independent and home, but we're also going to have that team of therapists and doctors and nurses that are there to also look at that product while we're market testing it, which will be fantastic. There is another small facility where I live in Bemidji, Minnesota, that will also be market testing it, so I will have eyes on that as well.
Good afternoon. Great job.
Thank you.
I love the idea. How are you anticipating getting to market? Direct to market through Amazon, through building or bathroom remodelers, or how?
Great question. Yes, so we actually have a few streams that we're really excited about. The first is just direct to market. And our marketing team has shown us that for our beachhead market, Facebook ads are very popular and highly rated. We also have a connection with AARP mailers where we're going to be able to send out what we do to those people. And we think that that's going to bring in people to our site and then to adaptive equipment sites as well. The other area that we're excited about is hospital retail stores and therapy stores. So there's 13 million aging adults that are leaving the hospital every year in the US, and they are actively looking for how they're going to get back home and be safer and more independent. This would be another option as they leave the hospital. The therapists are recommending their shower bench and their sock aid. This would be another thing that they could exit the hospital with their families to help them be more independent at home. The third area that we're looking at is new builds. By 2030, there's going to be 1 million units needed to accommodate the 55+ communities, assisted living, skilled nursing, living independent facilities, and we would like this to be one of those pieces that are in those new builds, right? They ask therapists to come in and help them set up the bathrooms for these people to be able to stay and maintain and age in place, and we would be right there with them at that new build so that it would be prepared for them to get into that bathroom and be able to be independent for a long time.
A really good presentation, Kelly. So the question is, when you are you only selling the product, or are you also including the bathroom? Like, will it take bathroom remodeling included in it?
Not. So we have, we're working on semi-permanent options. So like vacuum sealed suction cups are what we're testing right now for, the fiberglass showers. For tile options, we're looking at actually screw in, like what you would do with a grab bar to make sure that it's in the studs for our permanent option. But with this new engineering group, they have a couple new ideas to see what we can do for our permanent and non-permanent. But our plans are that you're going to be able to put it in any shower that you have.
Yeah, and one final question, Kelly. What's the price point that you're thinking about with this product?
Sure. So right now we're still playing with materials and such with our prototypes, but based on material and production, we're looking at around $200. And as an adaptive equipment criteria, it would be something that could be paid for from like your HSA account.